Okay guys, here's just a quick video on how to check for proper charge on an outside heat pump condenser. We are running in air conditioning mode right now. First thing you need to look for is one, you can't check your pressures unless the unit's running. So if the unit's not running, go inside, lower the thermostat a couple degrees, and then come back outside. I've already got my S-men gauges hooked up here, so we're just going to take an initial reading. It looks like I have 106.5 over 323. The lower number is my low side pressure. My suction line, that basically means what's coming back to the unit after it goes through the evaporator coil. That's what's going to your compressor, and then basically your compressor is taking that, condensing it, or repressurizing it back into a high pressure vapor, and then running it through this outside coil. We call this a condenser, and what that does is it takes it and it cools the high pressure vapor and condenses it into a high pressure liquid, which then gets sent through this small 3/8 line through our filter dryer inside to the evaporator coil, where from that point it goes and hits the TXV, and then that converts it to a low pressure liquid. And then as the hot air from your house gets pulled across that coil, basically what's happening is it's removing the heat and then sending it back outside where it's getting blown off by this fan. So this is a 4-ton Lennox unit. It is a heat pump, and we're running 410A refrigerant through it. So right now, here are my initial pressures again. I'm looking at my suction line temp. It's about 58 degrees coming back. My liquid line temp going into the house is 98.1 right now. So it's saying I have a 99.6 LSAT and 1.5 degrees of subcooling. Over here I've got my superheat. It's 23.9, and my vapor saturation rate or temperature is 34.8. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to check the HFC 410 charging information that Lennox has so kindly provided for us. So since we're looking at a 4-ton, we're going to go to the chart that says 48, and basically BTUs or tons of cooling is measured in terms of 12,000 BTUs, so it's units of 12. So 48 is a 4-ton. And then I'm going to go down and check to see. So we basically have a CBX32M-048-060. So what I'm looking for, plus or minus 5 degrees, is about 11 degrees of subcooling. So basically it's not giving me that right now. So that's one indication. It's coming back at about 1.4 degrees of subcooling. So we definitely need to add a little bit to this unit in order to bring it up to a proper charge.